Welcome guys, Cream Bars back again with another reaction video. I decided to check out the next Trinidadian dancehall artist called Chucky KRR. I reacted to Boy Die Die. That video is kind of cool, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it sounds just like a Jamaican. It was just so weird to me. Like, it's the first time I ever heard Trinidadian dancehall. I only ever heard soca when I went to carnival and stuff like that. Every weapon in this video are props. They're not real.
Yeah. Them know me wicked and bad, so them boy them can't play mad. Wave the SKO, they like flag.
Damn, that's Trinidad, bruh. I don't really know anything about Trinidad, now, guys. Funny enough.
All the feeling is playing.
Man, a bad man. How can I play time?
But I know it kind of looks like Jamaican now.
So me revolt the cat like a big bike. That's how we far be like. Posted in the middle of the night. Boy, dead let the mother fi cry. When them a smoke and I drink and lie.
Yo, honestly, God, I'm gonna check out more of these Trinidadian artists because it's just like dancehall, bro. It's no different. No, just like dancehall.
Kill them in a broad daylight. That's how a body like. Me just buy a new Kalashnikov, and me just can't wait to beat it off. Them boy like butter, cause them so soft. Keep that in the boy one off. First you want sign peace. Reverse the car empty the nice place. Man a shell long them ends pan a nightly. No wonder why them not like we. But them boy now.
Them probably like it because yeah, kill them. I'm just saying.
When it come to killing them, they in a wheelie. Them attack.
I know I want to know if there are like plenty of female dancehall artists in Trinidad, cause I want to see those. I don't know, I love the ladies, bro. I love the ladies.
They cry on TV, the boy try run, but they gun them faster. Them not real, them just a imposter. Me a code coast, could I swear me a Casper KRR, me kill a regular rasta. Revolt the kill take like a big boy. That's how we far be like.
What the hell was this guy?
Middle of the night, boy dead that the mother fi cry. So when them a smoke and I drink and line.
Yo, this video is not really that different from Jamaican video. Honest to God, with the whole bugger man in the background and everything like that. Beer guns and
me again I'm a surprise. Kill them in a broad daylight. That's how a body like. So then when me thugs them come wrong, boy shouldn't fuck wrong. Now everybody get gunned down. The boy try run when them yell the gun sound sharp or drive so you.
I wonder I know that they're using props in this video, but I wonder if police see this video. It's like, you know, some police are kind of weird, but like, oh, I don't think you guys are using props, bro. I think you guys have real high-power weapons. We need to confiscate those weapons. Probably, bro, because some of those things will be real as fuck.
See the nozzle and I freeze like mannequin. Catch Mets bars and put tam in them all. And me gun them damage him. So I say them a win, but that a lie. Last time me check them, boy, them a
look at kids. Yo, look at those kids, bro. They are on their masks and shit. Coronavirus fucking out the place.
But that a lie. We are gonna make Lumpy big fame like
at least they're wearing their mask.
That a heart and bulletproof vest. So we bust out them head. Me know him feel no chest. Swan if he sing more these as of them. After this me just kill all the rest of them. So me revolt the kill take like a big bike. That how we far be like. Posted in the middle of the night. Boy dead that the mother fi cry.
Yo, funny to see Trinidad actually have zinc fence just like Jamaica. Dude, that's just crazy. Like, I wonder if the zinc pen thing is a Caribbean thing. More than likely, bro. The zinc pen, look, it doesn't remind me of Jamaica, bro. That's like Jamaica I'm looking at right now.
Me I give them a surprise.
Zinc pen.
That's how a body like.
Yo, wait. These guys are powder. These guys are man. These guys are. Damn, these dudes are beating powder on their chest, bro. Damn, baby powder and shit. Anyway, guys, that's the end of the reaction video. Yo, this video, yo. Honestly, guys, I'm probably have to look into more Trinidad dancehall artist because you should have just like Jamaican music, bro. And it's crazy. I will get to see Trinidad theme. So it's very interesting to see a different background with dancehall music. Although I know that African do it too and UK artists do it too, but Trinidad, didn't even think about Trinidad, bro. But Trinidad actually have some very good artists. I'm not gonna lie, these songs sound just like dancehall. But anyway, guys, this is the end of the reaction.